of the tools being used to try and save Test cricket, especially in the West Indies, is the granting of what is called a No Objection Certificate, or NOC, which is basically a document by the Home Cricket Board giving permission to international players to play lucrative white ball tournaments or leagues around the world. So, for example, Cricket West Indies would not object to Nicholas Pooran going to play T20 tournaments in Dubai and all over the place and making his money. So the likes of Cricket West Indies, we assume, will be more lenient in that regard, with the assumption that these same players will show some more gratitude and transfer their services to the struggling West Indies cause. But again though, me feel like trouble daddy, because in playing franchise cricket, these players are actually playing the game they love. They're doing far less work while making lots and lots more money without the laborious burden of playing for the struggling West Indies. Here we go.